welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my friend
Over here.
and we got our plate and our slime we made. It's so cool, right?
Yeah.
Like,
We finally did it. This is
like, it don't even stick to
we
you.
should did it in the first place.
You gotta scooch over more so you'll get in the video. And that's what it looks like. And it don't stick to you at all whatsoever. It's only get you a little, your hands like a little wet. You just mix it up here really quick. This one. It's a nice texture.
We're gonna pick it up.
No, we're not.
Why do you gotta play then?
Guys, it will get a little messy if we try and pick it up. So we don't need a plate.
I'm trying to make it.
So when you mix it, it
Stop making
gathers.
so much noise.
As you can see, look, I'll spread it all out. Like it'll go all around. Look, see? Now watch. When I mix it, it all comes. And guys, it will stick to you a little. Now, it is very fun. And yeah, that's it for today, and peace.